Item SCP-242. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-242 is kept at a home located in NM procured by the Foundation on Dart. The original owner was an out-of-state landlord who had problems keeping it rented. After retiring, he moved there, but disappeared after 3 days. The home is unremarkable and is inhabited by Doctor and Doctor who pose as a married couple with no children. The backyard is defined along its perimeter with a cinder block wall approximately 2 meters high in accordance with the homes in the general vicinity. The pool is monitored at all times by a single level 1 guard who also covers as the couple's live-in cook. Human monitoring was added after Incident 242-1. Swimming or wading in the pool is strongly discouraged and any access to the pool by anyone other than Class D personnel for experimental reasons is forbidden. Description: SCP-242 is a swimming pool approximately 4.5 meters wide by 9 meters long with a depth ranging from 1 meter deep on both ends to 1.5 meters deep in the center and a total volume of approximately 53,000 liters. It has a dual waterfall feature, an in-pool vacuum unit, and stairs on one end. Any substance when placed into the pool will eventually be transmuted into sterile water which will remain sterile even after being removed from SCP-242 and introduced to a non-sterile environment. A sample taken from SCP-242 and poured into a container of water that had been tinted with red food coloring did not mix, but rather stayed together as a non-miscible bubble. Subsequent examination of samples shows them to be nothing more than pure, sterile water. The length of time required for the transmutation to complete is dependent on the nature of the substance placed into SCP-242. Ordinary river water sampled from NM was completely sterilized in 7 minutes. Stagnant pond water taken from NM was sterilized in 18 minutes. 50,000 liters of coal tar was converted over the course of 12 days. While the pool contains nothing but sterile water, there is no apparent action of any of the features of the pool. Once a non-water substance is placed into the pool, the water jets and waterfall will come on even if disconnected from any power source. The pool vacuum, if attached, will also activate and drive around the bottom of the pool even through extremely viscous liquids. There is no cycling of water into or out of the filtration system. Pipes leading to the filtration system have been completely removed and shown to be empty and dry while pool contents were being sterilized.